work is to work with already existed pieces. So the main challenge is to give them a second nature, a second skin. So it's a way of recycling, but with another vision, the vision of a designer. I like to reconstruct the world with already existent pieces, you know. I'm a kind of a dreamer. For me, it's necessary. I don't like ugly things. So my personal aim is to change the world by recycling, bringing beauty to pieces.
Whenever you ask me before about Rio and São Paulo, Rio is so beautiful, it's amazing, you have everything ready there, the nature. São Paulo is an ugly city, 20 million inhabitants, and São Paulo is where we live. São Paulo, we have to find beauty or construct beauty around us every day.
We want to create a dialogue between Brazil and China. For instance, if you see the gallery, space is painted in red. We brought the pandas chair, that's something very Chinese. The color.
Pandas chair is a chair made out of plush toys.
Yeah.
Plush toys, plush pandas.
The color of the chairs as well, the sofa, are all in red and yellow. So something connected to China, you know, the red in the present.
Instead, this one is green and yellow, very Brazilian color.
And this one is very red and China. Seems to be very easy, but for us to came to this concept took us almost 1 year.
And it's also very dangerous. I cut my hand in the other exhibition because besides being polished, sometimes they can break and cut you.
The material looks like a character looking for an author, you know, to be part of a theater play. It's always there is a flirt. He asks us what he wants to be transformed into. A chair, a lamp, a sofa. But first the material.
Most of the time he's more manual. He likes to play with the hands. I'm more projectual.